Good evening, dear tutor. I present the learning activity number 6 of group number 5. My name is Maria Jose Julio, and I am the coordinator of the group. First, you have the graphic organizer, bilingualism. Bilingualism and cognition. Jella Hawkins Martin mentioned that bilingual children can distinguish between different languages, develop vocabulary, and mixing words without becoming confused. Coordinated bilingual is a person who acquires the two languages in different contexts. Composed bilingual. It merges the two languages at the conceptual level. Subordinate bilingual. The second language is learned with the help for the first or dominant language. Relationship of multiple linguistic structures to each other in the brain. Paradise proposed that language are represented separately in the human brain. In 1997, Paradise identified 6 paths of recovery for bilingual students: parallel, selective, differential, antagonistic, successive, and combined mixed recovery. Finally, we have types and approach to bilingual theories. The first one is the unitary system. It's the first theory which tries to explain how the bilingual brain stores a language known by bilingual people. This theory claims that all languages known by bilinguals are stored in a common location. The second theory is the dual system. This theory states that the bilingual brain has two different systems, one for each language. The tripartite system claims that the bilingual brain, there are many systems as many language bilingual people know. In this separate system, the brain stores all linguistic information that is not common for both languages. What is a common of them is stored just one in a common system. Finally, we have the subsystem theory hypothesis. It states that the bilingual brain is a larger system which contains each language in smaller subsystems. So you can see the Genially with the 20 ideas. Okay, second activity. Pull out 20 main ideas from the video about exposition babies to a second language at the same time. Okay, number 1. Babies have better acquisition of two simultaneous language. Number 2. It was believed that babies could get to two languages together and get confused. Number 3. The children have no problems with bilingualism. Number 4. Children identify sentence and word structures. Number 5. Children know the right place for the meal. Number 6. They keep the language separately in their head. Number 7. They do not combine the grammar of both languages to express meanings. Number 8. Context influences the acquisition of both languages. Number 9. Babies distinguish different sound phonemes in any language. 10. There is a 10 separating grammar from learned language. 11. Babies learning two different languages at the same time is known as simultaneous bilingual first language acquisition. 12. Bilingual children aged 2 to 4 years were able to separate the syntax of English sentences from French sentences. 13. Currently, babies can learn more than other languages at the same time, as they easily build words and sentences for both languages. 14. Unlike babies, adults can hear only the phonemes for our own language. 15. Can mixing is the mixing of two or more languages or variety of language in speech. 16. Even though children mix code, does not mean that they are confused about their different grammars. 70. Code mixing is due to societal cues and is controllable. 18. You change more or less depending on who are talking or what you are talking about. 19. Learning two languages at the early age makes it easier to learn new language later. And finally, we have linguistics believe that bilingual children have two different grammars because of their two different languages. That is all. Thank you so much.